So look at this guy. He's anxious. Stop, down. You know what time it is. It's dinner time. So he's got chicken feet here, steak, you got sweet potato, you got a little bit of carrots in here. All right, so hold this for me while I mix all this stuff up for him. Just kind of like massage it in there. Look at him, he's ready. He is ready. Look at those chicken feet. You want a chicken feet, man? Huh? Here. Have a chicken feet. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Wait. Sit. Hey, sit. He's excited. All right, we're gonna put his food down here. Come on. And there he goes. Look at him go. You feel like he's in heaven. Listen to that. He is chomping away. Hey. Yep. That's how we take care of our dogs here, guys. And before I go, like I said, make sure you take care of your pets, alright? Later, y'all.